When you were 30 years old, you knew exactly how much you could spend each month on things. You knew what you made, and then you could subtract out what you needed for the mortgage, the rent, car notes, savings, those kinds of things. The question of overspending or underspending quickly came down to simple math. But a lot of this changes when your retirement income replaces your career income. The returns on your retirement funds can fluctuate more each year than your paycheck did. And some of the other sources of income can also change simply by interest rates moving. It is not so simple ahead of time to know if you are overspending or underspending. Now, some retirement planning software uses a straight line approach to solve this problem by taking an average annual return. It may say, for example, if you have $1 or $2 million and your average return is this amount, well, then you could take out this much each year. But this is just a best guess approach. Other planning software, by running thousands of simulations, attempts to create a distribution that provides the highest probability of success. Now, this is an improvement over a straight line approach, but if you think about it, a plan with a 95 or 100% probability of success might also be a plan that has a high probability of underspending. Running out of money is certainly part of the conversation, but it should not be the only goal. You do need to start with an amount that you can spend each month, but as you progress through retirement, circumstances change. Inflation, market returns, interest rates, taxes, they all can vary. You have these resources, which are a combination of things like investments, 401ks, and Social Securities. And certainly nobody wants to overtax these resources and use them up too soon. But on the other hand, you don't want to underutilize them and end up having the regret that you could have done more. As you ponder what your retirement income can look like and how long it will last, think about how you can implement a less rigid, more adjustment-based approach, one that can give you the peace of mind to not only know when you need to hold back on some things, but also let you know those times when you can confidently spend a little more so that you can fully enjoy the life that your resources can provide.